Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Today I got some pretty good information for you guys. Interesting information, I guess you could say. There's another bill going through Congress, not through Congress, through the California legislation right now. That is AB 2046. That was introduced by my local representative, Rashida Ransom. And what this bill is going to do is allow E85 conversion kits to be installed on engines in California on 2004 and newer vehicles. So in this video, real fast, I'm doing a tune-up on this car. I'm going to give you an update on what's going on with that and what I think about it, and you tell me, guys, what you guys think about it too. But please like, subscribe, and share. Check out the video library for a ton of automotive helpful DIY videos and emissions deregulations videos. Now, what was it? AB 2046. Again, this is a bill that is going to allow for E85 kits to be installed in California. Now, what the bill says is that it's going to transfer the approval process to the Federal EPA for E85 kits. As it is right now, CARB has not approved any E85 conversion kits on vehicles as it is. And really, do manufacturers of E85 kits really want to go through that process and the hassle and the cost of doing it? And then again too, what do you guys think about an E85 conversion kit? So if this bill, like I said, if it does pass, it passed appropriations already in the assembly. It's going to go back one more time. They're figuring out the fiscal impact that this will cause. And what people are saying that are proponents to this or against this is that E85 has less energy. So you won't get as much gas mileage out of your vehicle using E85 compared to regular gasoline. But really, I don't know what the give and take is. So if this bill does go through, I will probably end up installing a conversion kit on my vehicle and giving it a test. What do you guys know about an E85 kit? Around here, E85 is going for $2 a gallon. It's $1.99 a gallon, which is pretty darn cheap. So if I'm losing 2 miles per gallon, I think it's pretty damn worth it. What do you guys think? Now, again, it won't be any kit that'll be available to be sold in California. It'll be kits that are approved by the Federal EPA. And I believe as it is right now, damn it, my alarm's going off. Go figure. Every time I do a video, my phone makes some type of sound. So, what do you guys think about E85 kits? The Federal EPA obviously allows them, I believe, in any other state other than California as it is right now. I could be a little bit wrong on that, but I will keep you guys posted on this process of this bill. I will also post links in the description below for you to go read the bill so you guys could check on the progress as it is. Again, it's AB 2046 that was introduced from Rashida Ransom from the San Joaquin Valley here in California. I really appreciate you guys watching. I will keep you guys posted. Let me know what you think. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies, and I'll see you guys on the next, hopefully helpful video.